Hello and welcome to Life in Loja's YouTube channel. This is the third video in our series about luxurious properties in the city that are also very affordable. If you would like to see more luxurious homes and apartments in the city, check out our YouTube channel. We'll be taking you through an elegant, newly built contemporary house in an up-and-coming suburb. This striking modern design has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths with many fine finishes is ready to move in. The house is north of the city of Loja and just minutes from downtown banks, shops, and restaurants. Drive in or call Loja's excellent public transportation. The European-style kitchen is perfect for entertaining. It includes a contemporary marble-finished eat-in island, a professional cooktop connected to city gas for uninterrupted service, and generous cabinets with full pantry. Picture yourself enjoying the company of family and friends in this inviting space. The house is designed with unique floor-to-ceiling windows in the sunny living room. There are stunning views from every angle. Beautiful details throughout the room include a remote-control fireplace. On the second floor, the master suite has an ensuite bathroom, built-in wardrobe and entertainment center, floor-to-ceiling windows with spectacular views and walk-in closet. The master bathroom is fitted with custom fixtures and a rainfall glassed-in shower. The second bedroom has custom-built closets and ensuite bathroom. This ensuite bathroom has fine fixtures and rainfall showerhead in a glassed-in shower. The guest bedroom or study has custom-built wardrobes, which includes a shoe cabinet. The upstairs social bathroom or powder room has a glass-enclosed shower with rainfall showerhead, custom lighting fixtures, and backlit makeup mirror. We saved the best for last. The third floor is a fully finished roof terrace with outdoor kitchen. Partially roofed, the deck is perfect for entertaining, relaxing, or just taking in the million-dollar Andes mountain views. This can be you. Why wait to enjoy what Loja has to offer? Plan your visit to this exclusive subdivision.